Hi, today in front of me Xiaomi 13 Pro and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you will see ringtone volume panel, and just to mute ringtone we should slide to the left side of the ringtone volume panel, and that's it. Also we can press up or down volume button. So just press down volume button and now we'll just use the media volume. Just tap to the three dots and slide to the down this volume panel, the ringtone one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.